Welcome back to Full Build. Today we're going to be modifying our plyo box by adding handles to it. To add your handles to it, you're going to need a few things. Number one, you're going to need a drill with a hole saw and an attachment for it. Number two, your tape measure. And number three, you're going to need a jig saw. So the first thing you're going to want to do is flip the box up to its tallest side. Then you're going to measure from one side to the other. It looks like 10 inches is right in the middle, okay? So we'll mark 10. We're going to measure 4 inches down from the top of the box, okay? And then we're going to make 2 marks for the holes, one at 13 and one at 7. Now we're going to center our drill to the hole that we marked, or the place that we marked, 4 inches right there, 4 inches down, and we're going to make our first cut. Now we're going to make our second cut. Now we're just going to cut with our jig saw. Now we're going to make our second cut. And now that we have our handle, now we're just going to clean it up and then we'll sand it off. Not too bad. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So again, measure it. It's 10 inches in the center. There we go. 4 inches down. There we go. 4 inches. There we go. And then we're going to go from there. We're going to do 3 inches. So 7 and 13. I'm going to line up the hole saw. Make one clean cut. Only thing left to do now is to clean it up. So I'll make one more cut to clean it and then sand it and it'll be done.